Fun.
Yeah. Eli, well done, well done.
It's a full bowl of popcorn.
Yeah.
Nice.
That's good. It needs a little salt.
No.
We're in Burlington, Vermont. We're actually with Nea today because
We are visiting my parents' glass blowing studio to feature some of the new products on Food52. And also so that Paul and Tam can learn how to blow glass.
yeah, we're blowing glass today. Welcome to That's Cool. Who made it? We're lucky enough to be able to make pieces for Food52, and this is the stock for our first order.
Stem bowls and the cake plates.
And looking at the cake stand, like what are like the main design elements of it, or what was like the inspiration behind it?
Well, it's absolutely kind of like the Nordic, Scandinavian, the simplicity of the clear glass, and then mixed with just the pop of Nordic-ish kind of colors. I don't know, you notice the color more, and then also for function, I think the clarity plays a big role, I think aesthetically, so yeah.
My name is Rich.
My name is Tove.
And we're the founders of AO Glass, and we love making glass almost as much as we love making popcorn. How long did it take you guys to get to this layout that you have here? Let's just go. We'll start in the beginning and then we'll work our way back.
Back in the days.
Yeah, this was our first studio. We opened it up in 2010 after we moved back from Scandinavia. We came back around 2008 or so, just in time for the recession. We thought we were going to sell a lot of high-end sculptural objects to the collectors, but you know, with what happened then, we were forced to, have other jobs. I ended up getting the job at the bakery because I went in and I said that I was used to repetitive creative production in warm environments. So the manager came and gave me a big hug and then brought me into the bakery, which was actually really fun. Around 2010, Bernie Sanders was at the Smithsonian store in DC, and he couldn't find anything in the store made by a US manufacturer, and considering we were in a recession, he did his Bernie thing, and he got the Smithsonian to carry at least 10% of their products made by US manufacturers.
Yeah, that was 2011.
So we sent in an application, and after 2 weeks when we were supposed to hear, we didn't hear anything. So we called them up on Friday and said, Bernie's office, we haven't heard anything. Should we call? And they're like, no, we'll call. And then Monday morning at 8:30, Smithsonian called us and said, we love 500 snowmen and 500 polar bears. Right. And so that kind of brought us into a little larger scale production.
Voila.
Aha.
Here he is.
This is the initial Bernie Sanders snowman. The snowman has given way to the tomtas.
So it's a really tiny little piece, but yeah, this is the ornament polar bear.
It sounds like you look to everywhere for inspiration, but are there any sort of recurring places that you kind of draw from?
For me, I think it's just happens to be Scandinavian folklore a lot, and Scandinavian design based on where I grew up.
My inspiration a lot comes from the history of glass itself and just the process of making it. And I grew up playing a lot of sports and working with people, so glass blowing, as you saw, is very team-oriented. It's almost like throwing a frisbee or hitting a golf ball and just kind of watching the art. Yeah. There's kind of beauty, like a kinetic beauty in the process. Yeah, this is the raw material. We get this lead-free crystal that we get from Sweden, and it looks like this. It's mostly sand and then a fluxing agent that combines with the silica to lower the melting point. It comes in these big bags, and we import it from a town about an hour from where Tove grew up. Oh, awesome. Yeah. I don't know if you're interested in blowing a little glass yourself. I'd love to try, yeah. Why don't we try that?
This is a glass furnace. In here we have a ceramic crucible that holds the molten glass. It's 2,100 degrees in there.
You can feel it.
If you come stand close, you'll get that glow. Yeah.
Good, yeah. So I may get a little rough with you, so but don't take it personally, okay? Okay, so we're gonna start by getting a little glass. Come on over. I'm not going to explain too much. I'm just going to jump right in. So you grab the end of this. Okay. Okay, just turn. I'm going to have you just kind of turn it here. And remember, keep spinning. And when it gets off center, so it's a little off center now, kind of stop and just kind of let it settle. Where should I be looking? At the end of it? Yeah, right at the end there. You might burn all the hair off your knuckles. People don't really need hair on their knuckles. Yeah, no. It can get a little warm, so I'm going to cool the pipe here. And I want you to do that same thing again. Just try to get a sense, so when it's off center, hesitate there, and then just kind of let it fall back. Stand over here now and just pretend you're roasting a marshmallow. Yeah, now turn the other way. Now I'm going to let go. You just kind of roll back and forth.
Great. You get the initial idea of working with both hands at the same time.
Blow pretty hard. Blow hard still. Good, 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 good.
Oh my God.
Because the glass is pretty cold right now.
Do people ever actually pass out doing that?
I get a little lightheaded once in a while. Try not to hit the side of the door. I need to get another tool.
Bye.
Oh yeah, just keep doing that. I'll be back.
Doing good.
Yeah, it'd be a good prank. I wouldn't know what to do. I would be stuck here until tomorrow.
Oh, sorry. Okay, so we're putting the base on it. Push a little more. Okay, stop. Watch this now. Just by wrapping it, it kind of breaks right off the top. Now what we're trying to do is just heat that top. Keep rolling, keep rolling.
Perfect.
Matches your shirt.
Yes, right color.
Yeah.
I'd drink that.
We're gonna fire polish that.
And then if we don't have them stamped underneath, often we do ale glass. Just traditionally, that's what you do with glass. Skål för Food 52. Cheers.
Oh.
52.